In this video, I will show you how to count holidays between two dates in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have public holidays for the first 4 months of the year 2024. Now I want to count the number of holidays between the dates 1st March 2024 and 31st March 2024 given in these cells. To count the holidays between two dates, we can use the SUMPRODUCT function. Here is the formula to do that. There are two parts to this formula. The first part checks if each holiday date in the given range is greater than or equal to the start date. This comparison returns an array of 6 elements containing false, 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 true, true and true values because there are 6 holidays in the range. The true value is returned when the holiday date is greater than or equal to the start date. A false value is returned otherwise. Since the last 3 holiday dates are greater than the start date of 1st March 2024, the last 3 elements of the array contain true values while the rest of the elements are false. Similarly, the second part of the formula checks if each holiday date in the given range is less than or equal to the end date. Since there are 6 holiday dates in the range, this comparison also returns an array of 6 elements containing true, 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 true and false values. The true value is returned when the holiday date is less than or equal to the end date. A false value is returned otherwise. Since the first 5 holiday dates are less than the end date of 31st March 2024, the first 5 elements of the array contain true value while the last element is false. The Boolean multiplication automatically converts these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. When we multiply two arrays like this, if the element located at the same index in both of the arrays is 1, the result is 1, otherwise the result is 0. After multiplication, we get an array of 6 elements containing 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0. Here, the 0 value indicates the cell in the range that does not match both conditions and the 1 value indicates the cells that do. That is because only 4th and 5th holiday dates fall between the start and end dates, which are 1st March and 31st March respectively. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 2. As you can see, we now have a count of holidays between two dates. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.